Hey guys, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here today with the ATP dual-core replacement intercooler for the 11 to 14 EcoBoost F150s. So we're going to give you guys a rundown on what you get here, but first make sure you hit subscribe and also click that little notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our other videos. So ATP's designed this intercooler as an all-aluminum build with thicker cores and more surface area to essentially give you better cooling for your truck. Now with that being said, it is a better performing intercooler than what's from factory, but it does still fit in the factory location. And the way they've designed the mounts and everything is all built to bolt in, so you won't have to make any other dramatic changes or cut or build adapters or anything like that to get this to work. It'll simply just swap in place of the factory unit. Another handy thing to note about these intercoolers is while you do get better performance and it can cut down on condensation, it is also rated to work with engines up to 800 horse, it's also not required to do any sort of custom tuning to run something like this. So that does make it very usable if you are just looking for a quick intercooler upgrade without having to do some severe mods outside of it. You'll also want to make sure when you're looking at these that you select the right intercooler for your year of truck, because there is a slight variation. They do give you some extra hardware and a block-off plate for the older 11 to 12 trucks, whereas the 13 and 14s don't necessarily need that. But overall, makes for a really nice intercooler, comes with everything you need. And if you guys want to pick up one of these for your truck, you can head down to the description below, click that link, it'll shoot you over to our site, and we'll see you guys next time.